Have you ever had your wish come true? Well, in the movie Thunderstruck, there was a kid named Brian who wanted to be as good as Kevin Durant at basketball. At school, a bunch of kids made fun of him, so his dad took him to an NBA basketball game. His favorite team was playing the Oklahoma City Thunder. He was so happy because his favorite basketball player was playing, Kevin Durant. Even though he shot an air ball at the halftime show, Kevin Durant signed a Thunder basketball and gave it to him. When Kevin Durant gave him the basketball, they switched basketball talent. Brian wasn't very good at basketball, and the next day at school, they teased him again because of the half-court shot. Brian did a lot with that talent. I think that the characters in this movie are really funny, especially Brian and Kevin Durant. Kevin Durant is funny because he acts like he is bad at basketball even though he was not. Another example of him being funny is when he was trying to get his talent back but couldn't. The last thing that was funny was when when he went to Brian's school, he couldn't figure out a math problem. I like this because I didn't know that he was that funny. Brian was funny because in his backyard, he was trying to do a move and it didn't go as he planned. He was also funny because he started dancing when he found out that he had Kevin Durant's talent. The third thing that made him funny was that he hit Rumble, the Thunder's mascot, in the head after he shot the air ball at halftime. I think this movie is really funny. However, some people may not think it's funny. It's funny because the characters in this movie are acting like they're bad at basketball even though they are not. That's what I liked about the movie. I rate this movie 4 out of 5 stars and I recommend it for the whole family. If you like sports, funny movies, and funny movies, you should see Thunderstruck. Thunderstruck is funny because it's about my favorite sport. I think that you will like Thunderstruck as much as I did. This movie teaches you to do the right thing all the time. One of my friends loved it, and I hope you will like it as well.